We're digging deeper into a new law that requires students to use the bathroom that aligns with their birth certificate. Some are now saying the issue wasn't even a problem before. Wait 31's Alex Perez spoke to the bill's sponsor about what led to this legislation.
Well, Representative Stahegen says that despite those calls that this law may not have been an issue before, it doesn't mean the problem does not exist. He says he started working on the bill after hearing concerns from his constituents in school districts. He would not identify those districts, but says the problem could be seen across the state. And if it wasn't an issue, then the bill would not have had as much support in the state legislature. However, some in the trans community call the law discriminatory. They say everyone should have access to things they need despite of their gender identity. But Representative Stahegen says that the new law is needed for the kids' safety.
What about that female student that does not feel safe with a biological male using a restroom with her, or in a shower, or in a locker room? You know, how is that safe, and how will she feel comfortable with a biological male going into those facilities? And that's what this bill is about. It wasn't about discrimination.
And it's not a safety issue. If children are not safe using a bathroom and have a relative idea of safety for their privacy, no matter what their gender identity is, then that's a problem that campus has that needs to be taken care of. This is exactly what was said. It's not a problem that exists. It's a problem that's being manufactured.
Representative Stahegen says that there was previously no policy or guideline for schools to follow when it came to this issue. He says this new law will create that policy for them to follow. Reporting live in studio, Alex Perez, Wait 31 News.
Alex, thanks. Part of this new law includes an amendment that prohibits talk about gender identity and sexual orientation in grades K through 5. Make sure you tune into Wait 31 News at 6 as we dig deeper into why those discussions are so crucial and what the representative in charge of the bill has to say about the added amendment.